Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option System Management. Then let's go to Languages and Input and tap on Languages at the top. So here we've got the list of languages which are currently, let's say, applied, so we've got a quick access to them. So let's first of all add new language. Tap on Add a Language here. And now we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find your language and tap on it. I'll pick Turkish. After tapping, you can sometimes choose the region. It depends on the specific language, so just tap on it. And now your device will immediately ask you whether you'd like to set the new language as a default one or not. So you can either keep current or just tap on Change. So I will pick Change. And as you can see, we just got back to this quick access list, and the Turkish language is at the top. It is also marked, and as you can see, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added here, you can quickly change them just by tapping on the language you'd like to apply. And as you can see, it will be immediately moved to the top of the list. It will be immediately marked and immediately set. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and tap on the minus icon next to the language you'd like to delete, and tap on this tick icon to confirm everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.